Hello there, this is Madhumita. Welcome back to my channel. As Valentine's Day is coming, so I decided to create a creative eye makeup. So I came up with this Lifeline Eye Makeup look. So if you want to know how I created this look, then keep watching. First I'm starting from my eye makeup. So I'm applying Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer Medium on my eyelid. Then blending it. Then setting it using some powder. For eyeshadow, I am using iMagic Professional 48 colors eyeshadow palette, and first taking this color, I am applying on my crease area. Then blending it properly. I am also applying it on the outside area. Then slowly intensifying the color. Then I am taking this color and blending the edges. Then using same concealer, I am cutting my crease. Then using liner brush, I am drawing lifeline bar. Then applying concealer on my eyelid and on the edges. Then again applying Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer Light. Then again blending it. And then setting it using white eyeshadow. Now I am applying L'Oreal Paris Super Liner Superstar Duo Designer Black on my lash line. Then smudging this using these two colors. Then applying this color all over my eyelid. And on lines edges. Then blending the edges using a blending brush. Now using concealer, making a heart shape on the cut crease line. Then cleaning inside the shape. Then applying NYX Professional Makeup eyeshadow base white on the cut crease line. Now I am priming my face using Maybelline 24K Gold Gel Base Primer and applying all over my face. Then I am applying Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Poreless Liquid Foundation Natural Bulb all over my face. Then blending this using a damp beauty blender. Now I am applying Maybelline New York Instant Age Rewind Concealer Medium under my eyes, on nose, on forehead, around lips, on chin and around nose. Then again blending this all. Now I am setting this all using Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Poreless Powder Porcelain. Then I am contouring my face using NYX Professional Makeup Highlight and Contour Pro Palette Matte Finish and applying on cheekbone, on jawline, on hairline and on nose. Now for blush, I am using this color from the palette and applying on cheekbones, and on nose. Then I'm tightlining my waterline using the same pencil. Then I'm smudging my lower lash line using these two colors. Now I'm applying Maybelline Nude Volume Express Hyper Curl Mascara on my lashes. Now I'm highlighting my inner corner using this color from Revolution Pro 4K Highlighter Palette Gold. Then I'm highlighting my face using the same color and applying on cheeks, on forehead, on chin, on nose tip, bridge of my nose, and on cupid bow. Now I'm drawing small hearts using NYX Professional Makeup Eyeshadow Base White. Then for lips, I'm using Wet n Wild Color Icon Lip Liner Pencil Brandywine. So here is the final look. Please let me know how much you love this look by commenting down. If you love this video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So see you on next video. Till then, stay safe, spread love. Bye bye.